Welcome to my YouTube channel, Accounting with Francisco. So, in today's session, I am going to discuss the chapter 1 in your grade 10 textbook. So, that is background of business. Okay, then let's start. Basic concept about business. So, in your chapter 1, uh, there is a small introduction about this barter system. So, now let's see what is barter system. So, when the society existence of a human develops, individual needs also widen. Individual needs also widen. And when these needs and wants were diversified, it was difficult to produce all the needs and wants by themselves. So, for example, nowadays you have a lot of needs. No, you want different kind of products, but it is very complex to produce all of them, right? So, as a remedy to this problem, people start to produce a large quantity of good that they could produce the best with the skills and resource they had. So, when these people started to produce more and more goods, what happened? An excess production was created. When the people start to create more and more goods, an excess production was created. So mainly this happens because of we call it personal specialization. Due to specialization, so specialization means the knowledge that you are gaining when you are engaging in an activity over a long period of time. So let's say Devmi, Devmi, uh, she is learning to prepare cakes. So the first day, she will be able only to make one cake. But after a certain period of time, she can produce like 5 or 6 cakes. So that's mean due to specialization, what happened? You are able to produce more goods. So when this excess production is created, what happened? People start to exchange it with others. So this is called barter system. When the people exchange goods with another good, that is called barter system. So here you can see the system of exchanging goods is called barter system. Okay, let's analyze this through a detailed example. See this one now. Assume Mr. Bean has fish. Mr. Bean has fish and Iron Man has rice. Mr. Bean has fish and Iron Man has rice. So Mr. Bean is having fish and he wants rice. And Iron Man has rice and he wants fish. So the thing you must know is in barter system, we don't use money. In barter system, we don't use money. So in the early society, what happened? People, they used to um, purchase the goods for their day-to-day consumption by exchanging them. So, for example, if one person had chicken and another person had vegetables, they exchange it, right? So here, according to this example, Mr. Bean is having fish and Iron Man is having rice. So Mr. Bean, he is producing fish and he wants rice. And Iron Man, he is having rice and he wants fish. So let's see how it is working. Okay, now here you can see Mr. Bean and Iron Man. So Mr. Bean is having fish. Mr. Bean is having fish. And Iron Man is having rice. So what happened? Mr. Bean cannot live by eating only fish, no? He needs rice also. And Iron Man cannot live only with rice. He needs also fish. So what these people are going to do is, Mr. Bean, he is the one who is having fish. So what happened? Mr. Bean is going to give the excess fish to Iron Man. He is going to give the fish to Iron Man. So Mr. Bean is giving the fish to Iron Man, and Iron Man is going to give the rice to Mr. Bean. So that is called barter system. It is the process where goods are exchanged. Goods are exchanged. So it happened like this. Now you can see here there is Mr. Bean, and here there is Iron Man. So there is a question. Can barter system take place? So what's the answer? Yes, because Mr. Bean is having fish and Iron Man is having rice. And also, Mr. Bean wants rice and Iron Man wants fish. So barter system can happen. Mr. Bean is going to give fish to Iron Man and Iron Man is going to give rice to Mr. Bean. So here no money, only the goods are exchanged. Only the goods are exchanged. So it is like this. Mr. Bean is having fish, so the fish he is going to give it to Iron Man, and Iron Man is having rice, and he is going to give it to Mr. Bean. So this is called barter system. It is the process where goods are exchanged. So I hope you got a clear understanding on this barter system. So please like this video and comment and subscribe also. So let's see you again with another video. Thank you very much.